Okay, so you can see why I got these Explore chipboard words to go with this. So you won't be able to see any of this unless I take it out of the plastic. So let's do that. I'm not keeping the packaging, guys. I already have enough. You saw the whole stack there that I already kept. I kept all the daily things, and although this is some nice cardboard here, I will keep this piece. And like I said, there were 3 different ones like this, 3 different sets of extra embellishments, 3 or 4, I'm not sure. But I bought these the first day, and the last day when I went to pick up our photo, which I haven't showed you yet because they're not great on the photos in my opinion. And maybe it's just I just don't like pictures of myself. You know how it is. Alright, so we have, I'm just going to take all this out while we're here, if you don't mind, and we'll see what's in there. So these are 1/4 inch, maybe slightly bigger than 1/4 inch. Yeah, 3/8 inch gems. These are orange and kind of a sky blue. And then these are cut that out. Red and blue, which I like. The other set I think was pink and green, which is funny. Okay, so here's a set that has journal cards. I haven't even gotten to the photo journaling kit yet. So this is what I'm going to make my junk journal out of. And I did that last time, and I do have a flip through on my, it's the very first video that I posted on YouTube. So it has Not All Who Wander Are Lost, Seize the Day, Embark on Adventure, Love the Nautical Days. And then they are blank on the back. And then Where You Go, Go With All Your Heart, Journey, The Ocean Is Calling, Adventure Is on the Horizon. Yes, okay, so those are good. And then these are stickers, looks like. Now, last time they had this kit. It was very similar. It's slightly different. I don't know how often they upgrade, but I do remember some of these images. So this is similar. Life is Good. You know, I don't know if you can see all those because they're kind of metallic in nature there. And then, so these are 3D. They've got little pop-up things on the back. And they're on a sheet, so those are cool. Hopefully you can see those without too much glare. There we go. Nice. Lots of metallics. These are more bronze in color than the ones I just showed you. And then these stickers are similar. They're bronze instead of gold. Makes me wonder if that last pack I didn't pick up was silver. But I'm going to need to do an Alaska box and then just keep all the extras in it, because last time I gave them away because I thought I would never go to Alaska again. But it's too fabulous not to go again. And my cousin Sherry, that we met in Oregon on the way home with her sister Evelyn, she actually lives in Ketchikan, so we missed her in Ketchikan, but we might catch her next time. So here's some more journal cards, and I believe these are 3x4. Yes, so these are 3x4. Nice, purpley, like those. Okay. Oh, totally interrupt us here, but this was the other class I took, was to make a brush calligraphy bookmark. And I was a little disappointed that it was just half of a piece of paper folded in half and follow a video on how to write. They were not calligraphy markers. It was a free class. I'm going to say that. It was a free class, but they were not calligraphy markers, and it was almost impossible to get them correct. So that was the best I came up with. You know, it works for a bookmark, so I guess I can't complain. All right, let's see what's in here. So I had so much in that bag that this box got completely crushed. Ooh, there's metal. And I'll put a link to that first video because I used these for the closure in the other one. And there's some more of these. These are actual wood. These are not chipboard like the ones from Dollar Tree. These are actually like, I don't know, that lightweight wood that you can actually cut on the new Cricut. So that's cool. And then these very bronze looking. One says remember, one says savor the journey, Holland, America, Alaska. So we love Holland, America. We had the best room stewards. Oh my gosh. Every time we saw them, they called us by name. It was fabulous. Here's some more of those wood pieces. This one is bear paw. And love this, and the mountains. So these are the same as last time, but I don't mind. The trip was the same and I didn't mind, so don't need that. And forget it. I'll just leave it, and I'll just stick these in the other bag. So these are bronze metal. So this one is a bear. I think I thought it was a wolf last time, but it is a bear. Yeah. Didn't see any bears. This one says adventure with the mountains. Not sure you guys are even getting any of that, but it's hard with the lights. This one says savor the journey. So we'll stick those in this bag with these. But whenever I was going by the photography, these are actually in the photography department. You know, they always want to sell you their package, so we usually went there, by there pretty quick. And all of these, I'm just going to take them out so I can get this box out of the way. It's very nicely put together, and it has a ton of stuff in it. So, I'm not keeping this box. Okay. So, and all of these have the pop-up sticky stuff on them. Okay, I'm just going to take them out. And I will put these in one of my project bins for an upcoming project. Speaking of upcoming projects, I want to mention that too. So these are chipboard punches. Again, these are kind of coppery. Cruise the world. Okay, and then yeah, everything is packaged really nicely in these. So a ton of journal cards for this. Looks like there's 2 of each, but they're double-sided, so that's good. So we've got, let me move this pack of paper. We've got Unbelievable Beauty, and then we have the other side for journaling. Happiness is a feast in my belly, living the dream. Yeah, that's fun. So all of these are different on the back side. This may be the same kit we had last time. It looked a little different but you know, they may not have changed the whole thing because, you know, these are great for identifying the photos. I do need to get my photos printed, and yeah, you can see more of the same. I'm not going to go through all of them. We'll be here all day. But no lack of journal cards. And then these have the metallic on them. Those didn't have the metallic. So, yeah, and I know it's hard for you to see the metallic, but these are blank on the back. So, larger journal cards. I looked online because I really thought, well, maybe I can save some money, but I spent this 12 by 12 kit was $22, and the other two accessory packs were $9.99. So Beauty Surrounds You, yeah, these are nice. These are double-sided. So I spent $42 on this, and I have spent more than that on nothing from multi-level marketing companies. So for me, this is a twice in a lifetime kind of thing. Yeah, these are all metallic. And then these I love. I didn't use these last time, if I remember correctly. But they're overlays. Not all of them. Looks like there's some other journal cards in here. There's some sticker sheets in here. And, gosh, I hope I'm staying. I'm trying to keep in mind. So there's some sticker sheets in here. Not everything, every place we went is in here. We did go to Ketchikan, Glacier Bay. We did not go to Skagway or Whittier or Anchorage or Talkeetna. We did go to Juneau. Yeah, and then of course it's got the letters in green and white, and then these beautiful overlays. Let's see if we can see this. This one says Wanted Adventure, Alaska. Maybe I did use these. I don't remember. What a Beautiful Day for a Cruise. There's the mountain overlay, and just a design, and then the Holland America line. So I did get the download of our boarding picture and the image of that. So I'll have to see if I can get a hold of that. So that is that set. You can see why I bought these. Explore, and I'm just going to put them with these. They all say Explore. Okay. These are cardboard though. It looks like they have a little bit of a laminate. There's probably layers. This is a little bit like what do you call that stuff? Contact paper. Anyway, so I thought that would be fun. Oh, and then I didn't show you the papers. Last but not least, gotta have the papers. And that's what I started to say. I looked online for a scrapbook kit, and the ones that I was finding were just not complete enough. And by the time I bought everything, it was just easier just to buy these. These are chipboard borders. They're thick. And Our Journey Has Begun, wood grain, the triangles, and then these are the papers. So we have like a Midnight, the Purple Mountains, the wood grain, another wood grain, just geometric. That's the word I'm looking for. And then, of course, we did not see the Aurora Borealis because the day that we were supposed to be able to see it, it was the day the storm came in. So that was sad, but that's okay. All right, so that is all of the stuff I have to put together my trip scrapbook. So I'm going to need a project bin for these, And then if you ever go to Alaska, it's going to give you a hint by, if you're not, I bought that scrapbook kit on the ship, but if you're looking for souvenirs, wait till you get to Ketchikan, because that's the best buys. I did get a deck of cards, because I always do. Everywhere I go, I get a deck of cards and an ornament or a magnet. So, and I don't know if I showed you these. This is the series of books that I'm reading. It's Elm Street Quilts. I'm waiting for the last book to come in, and I'm second in line. But I thought that these would have different pictures on the back, but it's not. It's from Harriet's Journey, which is one of the books. So, either way, still fun. We have multiple decks of cards because we like to play. So, and then I got my tile. I was so stoked about my tile. 150 years, Holland, America, and we each got one. So these are our coasters now. You can see my little coaster coffee cup ring on there. But and then I got a necklace, I think. Yeah, from one of the jewelry stores, Shop at Sea. This was just in our room one day as a free gift. We got some free drinks because it's the second time that we're cruising with Holland America. And I did get the charm bracelet, but my bracelet's broken, so I'm going to have to get another bracelet. And it has all the little ship charms, which is really fun. So anyway, guys, I got to clean up this mess. I have all of the daily schedules, all of my receipts, everything just thrown in that bag. So I've got to go through and sort through and get everything organized. But I will be back. I am a little bit behind, about 5 weeks on Rachel's Roxy's weekly challenge. So I'll probably see how many I can get done so I can get caught up with that. I want to get started on my Princess Bride journal, and I don't remember if I've already discussed this or not. I have a Princess Bride book here. Actually, it's here. And this is not an old book. This is a newer book. It has some images in it. So I'm still debating whether I'm going to do an altered book or just gut this. I love the images. But this is from another, so I thought I might layer this on this book and use some fancy trim, because I have this really cool trim that I thought would look really cool and very, if you look it up, it says that it's Renaissance, or late medieval, the story. So I don't know. And then I bought these collections, and I will go through and say who they were from. I know this is Medieval Mirage. I think there's some Graphics Fairy in here. These fussy cuts, I think, are Graphics Fairy. And then I have my Princess Bride As You Wish. So I need to do some coffee dyeing and do some coffee dye this, coffee dye these. But I need to check. I'm pretty sure that I did these with my new printer, but before I start coffee dyeing, I want to test these and make sure that they are water soluble, because my old printer was not. And so yeah, I guess that's it for this video, and I will get to editing, get to putting stuff away, and then we'll get back to work. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you're having a great summer. I hope you're all doing well. I missed you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.